Monkey.
Welcome to Mandarin Monkey lesson 42.
第42课。
What's this one about?
还是
Haven't we just done that?
对，在第41课的时候，还是we use it as or.
Okay, so in lesson 41 we use 还是 as or, right? Is that the same character?
是的，
Okay, but it's different meaning.
没错。
Oh!
We will introduce 我们会介绍2种不一样的用法。
So there's 2 other meanings to 还是 than the or that you discovered in the first lesson in lesson 41, right? Okay, cool. So what is the first one? Now, if I get this correct, the first meaning is still, right?
对
So
still
I say to you quite often, right?
还是 OK， 所以
I say I still love you.
我还是爱你，
Yeah.
我还是爱你，
Yeah. Or you're still beautiful.
你还是很漂亮。
Okay. What about if someone's doing something like sleeping? She's still sleeping.
OK， 他还在睡觉。
Hang on, you're omitting something there. Right, so you're not saying 还是, you're saying hi, right? You're omitting the 是.
I omit 是 because it's a verb, it's an action. So when you're using the action sentence, 你可以 omit 是。
Okay, so if it's a verb, you can omit 是. Now,
Yeah.
can you or should you omit it, or can you say like 他还是睡觉?
可以啊。
Okay, okay. So you don't need to. All right. Okay, so you don't need to, but you can.
对，可以。
So when people speak, do they usually omit? Would you say? Or
对
is it-
，people usually omit。
Omit 的是.
对，所以你可以说 he's still sleeping, right? Use example， 他还是在睡觉。
Yeah.
或者你可以说他还在睡觉。So I
Okay.
omit 是
You
in
omit
this
是.
sentence.
Yeah.
对，
Got it. Okay. What about he's still eating?
他还在吃，他还是在吃饭。
Right. So okay. Again, you can omit and or you don't have to.
对啊，都
Got
可
it.
以。
All right. Now the other example of this same character is had better, right?
对
Okay.
你还是赶快回家吧。
Okay. So you better go home quickly.
对你还是 had better，
You had better.
赶快回家
Go home quickly.
吧。
That's a difficult one. That might be another lesson in itself. But I think it's a sound at the end of a suggestion sentence, right?
对，我们会用吧 to 去代表它是一个 suggestion sentence。
You're making a suggestion, right?
是的，是的。
Okay, cool.
你还是赶快回家吧。
Right. You had better work harder.
你还是努力工作吧。
Okay, so 努力是什么？
努力就是 harder，do something
Do
harder。
something harder. Okay.
然后工作就是 work。
Your work or job, right? Yeah.
对
Okay.
所以你还是努力工作吧。
Right. Okay. So we've got 1, we've got still. 2, we've got had better.
是的。
And the last one you heard in lesson 34, which is
41
41. Sorry, 41.
对没关系我所以你要苹果还
you want apple?
是香蕉？
Or do you want a banana? Do you
你
want blue
你要蓝色
or green?
还是绿色？
You got it. So I say just review lesson 41, and you'll get the or this lesson still or 还是爱你 right?
还是
And then had better.
还是
And then or.
对还是
Okay, practice time and good luck.
拜拜。
It's practice time. Still.
还是
You are still beautiful.
你还是很漂亮。你还是很漂亮。
I still love you.
我还是爱你。我还爱你。
She's still sleeping.
他还是在睡觉。他还在睡觉。
He's still eating.
他还是在吃。他还在吃。
Had better.
还是
You had better work harder.
你还是努力工作吧。你还是努力工作吧。
You had better go home quickly.
你还是赶快回家吧。你还是赶快回家吧。
or
还是
Would you like to see a movie or stay at home?
你要去看电影还是待在家？你要去看电影还是待在家？
Would you like an orange juice or a glass of milk?
你要柳橙汁还是一杯牛奶？你要柳橙汁还是一杯牛奶？